Bumpy is a dating app designed to move away from swipe culture, offering a cleaner interface and more intentional matching. The design emphasizes meaningful connections, and conversations often feel longer and more genuine compared to mainstream platforms. The app is legitimate, but its smaller user base means matches can be repetitive, and inactive profiles can sometimes lead to ghosting. Premium features are heavily promoted, which may feel very intrusive, though they unlock more visibility and messaging options. In larger cities, bumpies perform better with more active users and a healthier match pool. While in smaller regions, guys, remember this: patience is required to see results. Overall, Bumpy is a promising alternative for those seeking deeper connections. It's best suited um, for users who are still seeking for deeper connections and who value quality conversations over quantity of matches and who don't mind waiting for the platform to grow. So if you want to try this, just try it. There's nothing to lose here.